Manipulation of arithmetic circuits requires an understanding of binary addition and subtraction. Addition in binary has four basic properties. The first is 0 plus 0 yields a 0. The second is 1 plus 0, or 0 plus 1, equaling 1. The third property is 1 plus 1 equals 0, with a 1 that carries over. Lastly, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1, with a 1 that carries over. For example, here is the addition of 5 plus 4 using binary numbers. 1 plus 0 yields a 1. 0 plus 0 yields a 0. 1 plus 1 yields a 0, with a 1 that carries over. The sum is therefore 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary, which equals 9. Another example is 10 plus 7. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0, with a carried 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 equals 0, with a carried 1. 1 plus 1 equals 0, with a carried 1. Thus, the sum in binary is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to 17, the sum of 10 plus 7. Lastly, here is 13 plus 11. 1 plus 1 yields a 0, with a carried 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 yields a 0, with a carried 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 yields a 0, with a carried 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 yields a 1, with a carried 1. The sum is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, or 24. Subtraction in binary also has four properties. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 0 minus 1 yields a 1, but requires a borrowed 1 from the next digit place. 1 minus 1 equals 0. As an example, here is 4 minus 2 in binary. 0 minus 0 yields a 0. 0 minus 1 requires a borrowed 1 from the adjacent digit. The result is 1, 0, or 2. 10 minus 5 looks like this. 0 minus 1 requires a borrowed 1 and yields 1. Now, the second digit place is a 0. So 0 minus 0 yields a 0. Then 0 minus 1 requires a borrowed 1, and the resulting binary digit is 1, 0, 1, or 5. Finally, let's subtract 3 from 18 in binary numbers. First, 0 minus 1 requires a borrowed 1 from the adjacent digit. Now, there is another 0 minus 1 which requires a borrowed 1. However, because the next two adjacent digits are also 0, the 1 is carried over from the nearest one, 3 digits away. Therefore, the third and fourth digits of 18 also become 1s, and drop down to yield a sum of 1, 1, 1, 1, or 15.